Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, affiliate marketing success stories. We're going to introduce you to Mark, a fitness coach who has achieved incredible success through affiliate marketing. Mark's journey started when he was just 19 years old. He decided to pursue his passion for fitness and started sharing his knowledge with others. Over the years, he built a strong online presence and gained a loyal following. As his audience grew, Mark realized the potential of affiliate marketing. He began promoting fitness products and services that he genuinely believed in. And guess what? It paid off big time. Mark has now become a successful affiliate marketer, earning a significant income from his hard work and dedication. So, if you're looking for inspiration and motivation, Mark's story is a perfect example of how affiliate marketing can transform your life. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring stories like this one. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.